So this is Aloha Nature Stay. Today, we are here at Aloha Nature Stay. If you want to experience luxury with nature, then this is the perfect getaway. So let's find out this place. Just an hour drive from Raipur, Aloha Nature Stay Resort Sirpur is surrounded by greenery and nature sprawling over with 6 beautiful garden view cottages. The management was supportive to serve us with early breakfast before check-in. The resort manager was friendly and keen to guide us about different categories of rooms and amenities. Let's go and check in to our deluxe room, Neem. Now let's explore the wooden suite Sagwan. This is the living area, and now let me show you the bedroom. Sagwan, the wooden suite, is the most luxurious suite of Aloha. Next one is Parijat, which is our deluxe suite, and it is perfect for a family. So this is the dormitory area. Here you can stay with your friends or family with a maximum capacity of 15 people. It gives a lot of boho vibes via the architecture and the tropical feel that they have created. From the dense forest of Burma to the riverside of Sirpur, Aloha is a perfect combination of nature as well as wildlife safari experience. Aloha is also famous for its organic farming, here you can find some delicious organic fruits. Here you can see fruits and vegetables grown organically in more than 20 acres of land. After the farm tour, we are heading up for lunch. Aloha provides you an amazing pure veg personal dining experience. So let's try this delicious food. Experience doesn't end just by staying at the room. Aloha offers a whole lot of fun activities. So let's explore. So let me try my hands on badminton. This is my favorite area of the resort, the swimming pool. Whatever I'm going to be trying is the part of Aloha Staycation.
डर लग रहा है पर मजा भी आने वाला है.
That includes adventurous activities like cycling on a rope, Burma bridges, to giant swing, to Zipline. You and your group are surely going to have a lot of fun. After a day full of fun, food and adventure, अब हम जा रहे हैं अपनी कैंप की ओर. So let's go.
This is my cozy little tent for tonight. So let's get in and see. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. After a beautiful stay at Aloha, it's time to get back home with lots of good memories.
Thank you for hosting us with great hospitality.
Thank you.
It was an amazing experience staying at Aloha Resort. So do visit with your friends and family. Bye.